Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. In today's video, if you want to see my eyes go from this to this, then definitely please keep watching. I'm going to be testing out the new Solotica Natural Color Solaflex lenses. Well, I don't know if they're new, but they are new to me. I've done videos like this before and you guys really enjoyed them. So I'm super excited to be trying out these Solotica lenses out. As you guys see, and if you are subscribed to me, you know I have super dark brown eyes, which I love. But being a makeup artist, sometimes I like to switch up my eye look so that way I can like wear different shades and just accentuate different shadows and things like that. So I have been loving and using these Solotica lenses for like the past 6 months now, and I swear by them. So Solotica recently sent me their Natural Color Solaflex lenses, which are pretty much like a more affordable version of previous lenses that I've tried out. So I'm really happy. These are one of my favorites that I did in the video, so stay tuned if you want to see which ones these are. But yeah, so I'm going to be testing them out for you guys, letting you guys know which ones I like, which ones I don't like. If there are any lenses that you end up liking and want to try out in the video, I'll leave the links to everything down below, as well as my coupon code Janelle if you want to get 10% off whatever lenses you decide to get. Okay, I think that's everything. I feel like I've been rambling for 10 minutes, so without any more rambling, let's jump into this video. But before you go anywhere, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and let's jump into this video. Love you guys. Alright, so this was the box that they came in. It's the Solotica contact lenses. They recently sent me a bunch of the Natural Color Solaflex eyes. And basically, these come in a different packaging than my previous ones. They come in just like the regular contact lenses like this. And I'm really excited to try these out because I've mentioned this a couple times in my videos. One of my favorite lenses from Solotica is the Natural Color ones in ochre. And the kind that I've tried out in the past, I think they were like $38 per lens, so it came out to around $80 if you wanted both lenses. The Solotica Solaflex lenses, they have the shade ochre, but you get a pack of 2 of them for $38. Only difference is that the outer rim of these will be a little bit darker, so it might not fade as much as the other one does, but I'm curious to see like how different it actually will be. What's also cool about this is that you get the case with it. So yeah, on the Solotica website, it says, the Solotica Natural Color Solaflex collection features a lightly contrasting limb ball ring to give you a slightly bolder look. Choose from 7 vibrant shades, all available in convenient monthly lens. That's another difference. These are a little bit cheaper, but they are monthly, whereas my other ones that I tried, those lasted a year. So it was $80 for a year. This one would be $38 for a month. So I think these Natural Color Solaflex lenses will be a nice way if you just want to try out a couple different colors for a better price, but you still want it to look very natural. And I believe they sent me all of the colors, so we're gonna test them out. I'm gonna start off with ochre. These also don't come with contact solution. I just use this Clear Comfort multi-purpose contact solution. I got it from Target for like $3 and it works for me. So they're definitely a lot darker and not as bold as the previous ones that I've tried, but still really pretty. This is like a very subtle pop to the eye. So move you guys in so you can see. I feel like it makes my eye look larger too. It looks like the lenses are like larger than the color of my eye, the iris, is that what it's called? This is what they look like on both eyes. Super subtle. They definitely look a lot different than the other ochre Natural Color lenses. I'll try to find a picture and leave it linked here how the other ones look. But these are still really pretty. Very natural. Also, a lot of times you guys ask about shipping. The shipping takes super fast with these. They do express shipping, so that's really nice. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you can also get these lenses prescription, or you can just get them plain just for like beauty purposes. I already lost the lens. That's fun. Oh my gosh, I'm such a dummy. I was like, I thought I lost my other colored contact, the one that I tried on previously, and I didn't. I left it in my eye, I never took it off. So I guess that answers the fact of these lenses being super comfortable to wear, that you end up forgetting that you have them on or you don't realize you have them on. Wow, I'm really dumb. Moving on, I'm going to be applying the shade Verde. In the packaging, it just looks like a super bright green. So I'm really curious to see how this is going to go on my eye. So this is the Verde. It's definitely super green. I'm not gonna lie, I personally would never wear these anywhere, but I think these would look super cute if you're doing like cosplay, or I don't celebrate Halloween, but if you were like doing a Halloween look and you needed to switch up your eye color, I think this would be really cool for that. Not my cup of tea. Another thing I like to do so that I don't get water like all over my eyes, or my eyes don't get too watery, is whenever I take the lenses out of the solution, I kind of just like let the extra solution fall off before putting it in my eye. And then this is how verde looks on both eyes. Very different. Again, these are so comfortable. You literally end up forgetting that you have these on. Ooh, so they also sent me quartzo. My last video, quartzo was one of my favorite colors that I tried on. I'll try to find a picture and link it here. This color was stunning, and it was in, I believe, the hydrocore or the natural core, but like the regular kind, not the Solaflex. So they were so realistic looking. So I'm curious to see if this will look as realistic and as bold and as bright as the other one, or if it's gonna be like a more toned down version. Ooh, I love these. Okay, this is very pretty. I love how this is a lot more bold than the ochre shade that I tried on. That was like a remake of the original ochre. This one, you still get that boldness. It is more subtle than the quartzo. Like if I show you, insert the picture here, you guys will see the difference in how much more bold the original quartzo is. But this, for being half the price and a good like starter way of trying out colored contact lenses, I think this is stunning, and they look very natural. Like they blend really nice. Oh, these are stunning. Wow, look at this. Look how pretty that is. They're so bold. Moving on, I'm gonna be trying the color Mel. It looks like a really pretty, more vibrant green. So this is Mel, super pretty, very subtle. I feel like this is a little bit more bold than ochre, but still subtle, natural, a good way when you want to like slightly switch up your look, but you don't want anything too drastic or too much of a difference, so you want it to look more natural. These are very pretty. And when I take out the lens, I kind of just like squeeze them, like I said, to take out the excess solution so that they go in a little bit easier. And this is them on both eyes. So pretty. All right, moving on. This is Topazio, and it looks like a really pretty, more bolder, bright blue. This doesn't look like it'll be as natural of a blue tone as quartzo was. Oh, they're actually more wearable than I thought. These are actually very pretty. I like how they have a lighter rim on the inside. And they're just a little bit more blue than quartzo, but I still think that they're very natural and like a fun way to switch up your eye look. Now let me apply on my other eye. Sorry if you guys get creeped out with me awkwardly staring into the camera. I just like to stare for a little so that way you guys can see how it looks on the eye and get like a better idea of everything. These would be so pretty with like a gold eye makeup look, or something with more of like warm tone just wrapped around. I feel like these eyes would look so striking. That's why I love playing with colored contacts, because then there's certain looks that I can do that will really just like amp up and really enhance my eyes and make them pop. Moving on, we have the color Esmeralda. And this looks like a very bold, kind of like emerald green color. Curious to see how this is going to look on the eye. This one definitely looks more costume-like and not like a natural green. These look really cool. Holy crap. It honestly kind of looks like a cartoon. I feel like this is great, like, again, for cosplay, or if you celebrate Halloween, you're dressing up and you need like green eyes for the look that you're going for. This is really cool. But it's still really pretty. Like, I don't know, would I wear this out and about? I've never seen an eye this color, but it's actually kind of striking. Alright, so moving on, we have the shade Crystal, which I have actually tried in like the original crystal color, and that one was beautiful. It looks so natural, it's very striking. So I'm super excited to try it in the natural color Solaflex and see if the more affordable version is just as nice. This is what it looks like here. But it's just like a super light grayish, so pretty. I cannot wait to see what this looks like on. It looks promising. Ooh, I love these. Okay. These are winners. These are absolutely stunning. This is it on this eye versus my natural brown eye. They look so natural. I think these and quartzo are my favorite. These and quartzos are my favorite. If you guys are interested in getting any of them from this video, those are definitely my 2 recommendations. And if you do happen to get them, don't forget to use the discount code Janelle for money off. It'll be even cheaper. These are literally my favorite. So pretty. Alright, you guys, so that wraps it up for this video. This little mini haul of the Solotica Natural Color Solaflex lenses. So many words. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did find any lenses that you want to try out, definitely check out the links down below. And like I said, if you use code Janelle, you'll get 10% off. It is an affiliate link, but I promise you guys I would not recommend or suggest or tell you guys to get anything that I wouldn't recommend or that I don't use myself. These lenses are so much fun. And like I said, my top 2 recommendations from this video are quartzo and crystal. I think they're absolutely stunning. There's a bunch of other fun colors too. All of them are so comfortable too. I love how they came out with like a more affordable way to just try out different lenses. These lenses will be for monthly wear, and then I'll leave links to my previous videos where I talk about other lenses that they carry. Some are for a year, some are for a week. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but I'll leave all of that linked down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!